Hello everybody, welcome back to another video about AMP coin. Guys, in this video I'm talking about the latest price prediction, latest price changes occurring in the AMP coin, and I'm also warning all of you, that is the warning video for all of you to be safe from loss. Guys, be alert and be safe from loss. Guys, now the latest price of the AMP coin in the market, you can see here 0.059644 USD dollar. That is the latest price of the AMP coin in the market. And furthermore, guys, other side, if you talk about the price changes occurring in the AMP coin, so positive 0.25% the price decrease in the last 1 hour. Other side, if you look the last 1 day, last 1 week changes occurring in the AMP coin, so now these changes is also going negative. Guys, the price decrease, simply that the price changes is negative, and if the price changes is negative, so this means that you are getting in the loss. So I recommend for you guys that please hold, don't decide to sell, and be safe from loss. Anyways, guys, I'm not sure about the future of AMP coin, but now I'm sure my technical analysis tells us that they will continue this falls for the upcoming 3, 5, 4 days, guys, and the price will pump in the beginning of a new month, guys. Possibilities that the price will pump in the beginning of a new month, so please hold it and don't decide to sell. Anyways, guys, please also share your opinion in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel.